Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the error node options is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. So I am getting this error when I try to run the command npm run dev. So for this you just need to run the command npm install cross -env -- space -dev. So just run this command. So this is that command that we ran earlier, and this is having like crazy weekly downloads, so it's completely like trustable. And after that we need to change the dev key in package.json. So we are having this, right? Click it, and this is the dev thing that we are having already. We need to just add cross env in the front like this, and apart from that leave this is fine, and we just need to remove this slash with double quotes thing, remove this, and here also just do the same. That's it. Okay, and now let me just rerun the command npm run dev, and this time as you can see I'm not getting any errors over here, and my Next.js project is ready. So here you can see my project is loading in localhost 3000 without any errors. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.